Hey kids! Kids!
Yeah.
Children, what are you guys doing?
I'm just playing on my laptop. I'm just playing on my tablet. Yeah, me too.
Hey guys, I found a $10 bill. Hey guys, your neighbors are coming.
Is that the ice cream truck? Ice cream truck? It's ice cream truck.
I don't know what to do to get these kids off of their tech.
Hey kids, it's time to get off the tech. You've been on it all day.
Just a few more minutes.
What could be so important for you to spend all day on tech?
Again. I'm in a fierce competition. I am too with Mila. And I am too with Ella.
Any luck with them?
No.
Goodness.
Hey, I know what to do.
Ooh, are you thinking what I'm thinking? You should definitely call him. Call him.
King Kenny, King Kenny,
King Kenny, go!
Somebody call me.
We called you King Kenny.
Mr. AJ, Miss Debbie, what's going on?
King Kenny, these kids have been on the tech all day.
Hey kids, is this true?
Uh-huh.
What could be so important to you guys? Guys, there's only 24 hours in a day, and make sure you use them in the right way. Why don't you guys spend time playing with each other?
King Kenny, wanna play?
I will love to.
Gabe, you want to join us?
No, must keep playing.
Okay, but you'll be missing out. Come on, girls.
Turn, 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 turn.
Okay, kids. King Kenny is getting old. I'm really tired.
Aww. Back to tech! Mala, have you seen my tablet? Have you seen my tablet? Mala, it was just here when I left. I know, I don't know where it is. Gabe, have you seen our devices? Yeah, I'm having a great day. How are you? No, Gabe, this is serious. Have you seen our devices? Yeah, I would like Chinese food. Can you get some for me, please? This is serious. Give it to us. Give it to us. No, give it to me. This is so serious. Let me have it. It's so serious. Stop. You made me lose. You made me lose. I didn't make you lose. You were not paying attention. We just wanted your help, but you're just playing your ridiculous game. It's not a ridiculous game.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's all this yelling about?
We can't find our tablets. All they wanted was for Gabe to help us, but he's too busy. And then they tried to take my laptop and I lost the game. So what? It's just a silly game. It's not. It's too. It's not. It's too. It's
Ella,
not.
Hey, stop, kids. You guys are spending way too much time on these devices.
He started it. He started fighting with me. And fighting with me.
I don't care who fought with who.
to.
Girls, go do something else.
Hi, Mella. You want to go look for our devices? Yeah, let's go.
Gabe, are you gonna spend your whole day like this? Gabe, this isn't like you. You normally play with us. What's going on?
Nothing's going on. I found a game, I like it, and I'm good at it.
Yeah, but you can't spend all day, every day playing games.
Well, why not?
Because there are only 24 hours in a day. You gotta eat, you gotta sleep, you gotta help your parents. You have to spend time with people around you.
Well, I'm not going to stop playing my game.
Well, I'm really sad to hear that. Life is going to pass you by if you don't choose your time wisely.
King Kenny, we still can't find our tablets. Can you help us?
I have an idea. Why don't we split up and look for it. You go that way, and I'll go this way.
Great idea!
Actually, King Kenny, I kind of don't want them to play any more tech today.
Don't worry, Miss Debbie. I've got a plan. Girls, I think I found it over here.
King Kenny! King Kenny!
Girls, I found it.
King Kenny! King Kenny!
Girls, over here. I found it.
King Kenny! You guys want to drink King Kenny? Ooh, tell me more. King Kenny! I think we found
Where are they? Where did they go? Vince, where are you? Where are you? Whoa! That, you're it.
Can't stop. They don't understand. I have to keep playing. I have to win. It's so cold, but I gotta keep playing. I gotta win. I gotta keep playing. I gotta win.
Gabe? Gabe, sweet Gabe. Gabe, can you please stop playing now? I don't know how much longer I have left. And I don't know if I can live to see you play anymore.
Miss Debbie, is that you?
Yeah. Gabe, it's been almost 40 years. And you just kept playing the whole time.
Mr. AJ, is that you?
Gabe, Gabe, I'm almost 80 now. I don't know how much longer you're gonna go play.
Please stop, Gabe.
Please.
Your sister and Mila, they've been working all these years and you just kept playing.
Working? They're working?
Oh yeah, they're adults now. You see, you've been playing all the way through time.
Really? Anna, Mila? Hi, everyone. Gabe, you actually stopped playing? We've been waiting all these years.
You see, Gabe, Ella's a professional chef. She teaches other chefs all over the world her professional and amazing culinary skills. And Madison grew up to be a professional actress. She plays
A business.
a princess. Princess.
Amigo.
And then we have Mila. Mila grew up to be a professional cowgirl.
Howdy, partner.
She does rodeos all over the world.
No, it can't be.
You see, Gabe, we've been trying to tell you for years to stop playing. But you just kept playing through time.
But how come I didn't get older?
But you did. Take a look at yourself.
Really? I'm an old man.
Gabe, you gotta stop playing. Stop
Stop
playing,
playing.
Gabe.
Stop playing, Gabe.
Stop
Stop
playing.
playing.
Stop.
Stop playing! No, it can't be true. It can't be true.
Stop
It can't be
playing.
true.
Stop playing.
It can't be true.
Wake up, buddy. Wake up. You're having a dream. Wake up, buddy. Wake up.
AJ, your beard, your white beard, it's gone.
Gabe, I know I have some gray hair, but I wouldn't call it a white beard.
Gabe, are you okay? I heard you scream all the way over there. Seems like you were having a bad dream.
Miss Debbie, you don't look so old.
Old? I didn't think I was that old.
Hey, are you okay? You look startled.
I had this horrible dream. Everybody got hold, and I've been playing tech for years.
Oh boy, that sounds scary. Can we talk for a minute? Gabe, you gotta use your time wisely. And playing tech all day is not wise.
No, but I love it. I love it so much. It's so much fun.
I understand, but there's a time to play it. I'm sure you have other things to do too, don't you?
I do. I know I do. That's what made the dream so scary. Everybody else was growing old, but I was just sitting there playing my tech. And I realized I can't be using all my time playing this game. Everybody else will get an education, a career, but I'm just going to be playing my games. And time's going to pass before I know it. You know what, King Kenny?
What, Gabe?
I don't think I'm going to waste my time anymore.
Playing tech isn't bad, but you just need to use your time wisely.
You know, there are other things I want to do with my life. You know what I want to do? I want to
Okay.
play another game on this computer.
Gabe?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to use my time more wisely now.
Good idea.
King Kenny, King Kenny,
King Kenny, go!